Our program is education and outreach. We want to give those high school students knowledge and skills that's going to last for a lifetime. A lot of students who don't see themselves in science wonder if I'm going to belong there. And we really want to empower our students to embrace that identity and bring it into a scientific environment. One of the key emphasis in this program in the afternoon is professional development, where we teach students how to advocate for themselves, how to develop mentoring relationships, how to network, what are some of the skills for leadership. All of those things help students from our communities who have never thought about going to college think about what they want to do with their careers long term. Our goal as a university is to fulfill our land-grant mission, which is to focus on our local community. I think if we're going to harness a diverse workforce, we'll be able to solve some of the world's most important and urgent challenges.